one of the things is, we are in the financial services business, which is very people intensive. And most of our interactions with our customers are on a person-to-person basis. So, in this kind of a business, it is very important how we take care of our own employees, because we firmly believe that if the employees are happy, if the employees are motivated, then most of our job is done, But if in this kind of a business where we are serving people, if the employees are unhappy and they are not motivated by the mission of the organization, then we cannot succeed. So we have a whole range of programs within Ujjivan where we ensure that our employees are happy to be working in Ujjivan. Secondly, it is a difficult environment in their work, day in, day out. They have to be, they operate in the slums, which are probably one of the most difficult physical places to work. So how do we keep them motivated? And the only way we can keep them motivated is when they imbibe the whole mission of the organization and they are excited by the work they do. And I'm glad to tell you that most of our staff, especially our front-end staff who are serving our customers, our field staff, are a very highly motivated lot in terms of that they feel happy about the work they do and the kind of positive benefits they are bringing to a very deprived section of our society. And that gives them enormous job satisfaction. Along with that, we have a whole host of fairly sort of unique HR practices. We meet our staff through their representatives once every 2 months, where we talk to them about the problems they have in the field, etc., or there may be any HR related issues. So we are able to resolve their problems both at work or from an HR perspective proactively, instead of these things accumulating at the end. We are one of the few organizations which provide ESOP to all our employees. So we give them a sense of ownership in this organization. So we have a whole range of programs within Ujjivan by which they feel that Ujjivan is part of themselves and they are highly motivated to achieve the mission of Ujjivan.